everyone, it's Raquel from Succulents Box here. Today we're going to talk about diatomaceous earth. You may or may not have heard about it, but diatomaceous earth is a wonderful product for succulents. Let's start with some basic information about powerful powder. Diatomaceous earth is a powder made from fossilized organisms called diatoms. For gardeners, diatomaceous earth is a wonderful product to fight pests and insect eggs. First, diatomaceous earth helps to dry out insect eggs on the surface of the soil because it's a natural desiccant and can absorb lots of moisture. It literally dries out anything around it. In small amounts, desiccation is also great for preventing corrosion and mold. Second, in addition to its status as a desiccant, individual particles of diatomaceous earth are very sharp. These sharp fragments can eventually kill soft-bodied pests. The third and main reason we recommend that you use diatomaceous earth and not another pesticide is that pure diatomaceous earth is non-toxic to animals, plants, or people, even if accidentally ingested. Remember that this substance is also used in toothpaste. Unlike common pesticides, diatomaceous earth is a naturally occurring substance that is very safe for the environment when you mix it with your soil. First, when working with diatomaceous earth, it's best to use the substance outside or somewhere with lots of ventilation. That way you're less likely to sit around in a cloud of dust particles while you work. Keep pests and children away from your work area until you've finished. Don't forget to wear long sleeves, gloves, a face mask, and goggles. Since this substance is a desiccant, it's best to avoid getting it on your hands and arms so your skin doesn't dry out. To protect your throat and lungs, wearing a mask like an N95 or KN95 will keep you safe from getting diatomaceous earth particles in your lungs. Another important thing to mention is that there are two types of diatomaceous earth available: food grade and filter grade. You'll always want to use the food grade diatomaceous earth when working with plants because while it's deadly to insects, it does not contain enough silica to cause harm to humans and other animals. To use diatomaceous earth as an insecticide, there are two ways. As a powder, sprinkle a very small amount of diatomaceous earth onto your soil to kill any fungal gnat or ant eggs. To do so, add about 20% food-grade diatomaceous earth to 80% of your soil, or 100 grams for 11 square feet of soil ground. We also recommend repotting succulents suffering from fungal gnats or root rot with this method to prevent further infestation. To use diatomaceous earth as a liquid solution, you can mix a teaspoon of powder with a cup of water and pour the mixture into a misting bottle. This solution is effective but won't damage pests until it dries. Another benefit of diatomaceous earth is to improve the quality of soil. It has a high mineral content and can become an important source of nutrients for the development of plants. That's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and hit the subscribe button for more content. If you have any questions or recommendations, don't hesitate to leave your comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.